Absolutely. Absolutely means completely or without any doubt. I am absolutely sure that I did my homework. I am absolutely sure that I did my homework. This cake is absolutely delicious. This cake is absolutely delicious. He is absolutely certain that he saw a shooting star. He is absolutely certain that he saw a shooting star. My mom said I'm absolutely allowed to go to the party. My mom said I'm absolutely allowed to go to the party. She was absolutely thrilled to win the game. She was absolutely thrilled to win the game.